Last class, we were discussing about partners of Salesforce. That is developer.force.com. Second one is dreamforce.com. And the third one is what? appexchange.com. And also, we were discussing about what? Versions of Salesforce. Salesforce releases how many versions?
3 versions.
3 versions.
Based on what? Based on?
Spring, winter,
Seasons. Winter, summer, spring.
Yeah, spring, summer, winter. So total how many?
3.
3.
Okay. So winter version, summer version, and spring version. Good. Every version, tenure is how much?
4 months.
4 months.
Current version of Salesforce is what? Winter 23.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Good.
Okay, sir.
So winter season will complete in 2023. That is why it is showing what? Winter 23. Let us start the today's class
Versions of Salesforce.
of Salesforce. Do you know my number? My mobile number. Hello. This is my mobile number. 95534 95532. Hello. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I took this connection in 2013 from Idea Company. From Idea Company. It's a postpaid connection. Understand all of you?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Before I'm going to take the connection, first of all, I need to approach some executive. Sir,
Sales executive.
sales executive. And that sales executive explain about our plans which is provided by Idea Company to their customers. Sir,
Yes, sir.
based on their, am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Explain about the plans which is provided by Idea Company to their customers based on their usage. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Good. Like 149 rupees plan per month, 249 rupees plan per month, 349 rupees plan per month, 449 rupees plan per month. Like that. Suppose I subscribed 449 rupees plan per month. Any person subscribed 449 rupees plan per month. If you make a call from Idea to Idea Company, it is free. Or no?
Sure.
If you make a call from Idea to some other company like Airtel, okay, it may be 5 paisa per minute. Understand? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you make a call from Idea to every day
BSNL.
1 GB. Every day you will get 1 GB data free, mobile data. Sir, no. Also, he will get unlimited SMS. This kind of facilities he will get once he subscribe what? 414 rupees plan. Suppose some other customer subscribe 114 rupees plan per month. Tell me, will he get the same kind of facilities?
No.
No. Definitely you will not get kind of facilities. Suppose If you make a call from idea to idea, it might be 50 paisa per minute. You make a call from idea to
Airtel.
company, Airtel or Vodafone, it could be 1 rupee per minute. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You may not get 1 GB data free. You will get only 500 SMS free per month. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like that, plan to plan, which facilities are going to change? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is vary from plan to
Plan.
facilities will vary from plan to plan. Understand the point here?
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Same way, these plans, Salesforce point of view, these plans technically called as, come on, what is it? Edition.
Plans, editions of Salesforce.
Not anything but editions. Salesforce releases 5 editions depending on customer's usage. Understand the point here? Hello. Salesforce releases 5 editions depending on the customer's usage. That is Essential Edition, Unlimited Edition, Professional Edition, Enterprise Edition, and a Developer Edition. Point clear? The total
Yes,
how
sir.
many types of editions?
5 types.
5 types of editions. Essential, Unlimited, Professional,
Professional,
Enterprise.
enterprise, developer.
Out of 5 editions, first 4 are paid editions. Paid editions means, what is the meaning of paid edition?
We have to buy.
pay, we have to buy the license from the Salesforce company. But whereas a developer edition is a free edition. Understand everyone? It's a free edition. This is the edition what we are using in the classroom. And all of you, it is free for all. But first 4 editions are what? Paid editions. You know, top level companies like Infosys, like Wipro, TCS, CTS, and we have something like Tech Mahindra. If you observe these companies having more number of employees, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
They're all CMM level 5 companies. This kind of companies are generally using which edition?
Unlimited edition.
Unlimited edition or enterprise edition. But small companies having 100, 200 employees are working. That kind of companies are using essential edition or professional
edition.
Now somebody got a doubt here. Sir, what is the difference between all these editions? All these edition differences are governor limits. What is this? Governor limits will vary from one edition to
another.
So what is governor limit? What is the meaning of governor limit? And what is best practices? Okay, regarding all these, we will discuss another topic in development part that is called batch apex. What is this?
Batch
apex.
So in development part, we have a concept name is called batch apex. And in this batch apex, we will discuss about concept name is called governor limit and best practice. So the difference between all these editions are governor limits will vary from one edition to another edition. What is governor limit? I will discuss later. The name of budget. But the last and final edition is what here? Developer edition. So this is the edition is a free edition. And this is the edition what we are using in the classroom. Clear all of you? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
So all of you understand regarding editions of Salesforce?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'll show you right. If you type in the Google pricing editions of what?
Salesforce.
Look at this. What is this? Essential edition, professional edition, enterprise edition. What is the last and final one? Unlimited edition. Essential edition cost is how much?
$25.
25 US dollars. USD means US dollars per user per month. Professional edition, $100 per user per month. Enterprise edition, $175 per user per month. Unlimited edition, $325 per user per month. Tell me, among these four editions, which edition is the most expensive edition here?
Unlimited.
Unlimited edition is the most expensive because unlimited edition having more facilities than all these three. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
The companies are using what? Unlimited edition only. Hello. Which companies? I already told you, na? Come on.
EMM.
Infosys, Wipro, TCS,
EMM level company.
level 5 companies are using what? Generally, come on.
Unlimited edition.
Sometimes they will ask you. Sometimes they will ask you at the time of interview. Suppose if you put any fake experience, 3 to 4 years, sir, I was working in Infosys company last 3 years as a Salesforce developer. Sometimes they will cross-check you. Okay. Anyway, you're working in sales Infosys company, and in your company, what is the edition you people are using? Suppose if you tell any professional edition or essential edition, they will catch you easily. Yes or no? The companies like Infosys, Wipro, those people are not using what? Essential edition, enterprise edition, and all. So professional edition. Clear all of you? They can easily
Yeah.
cross-check you. They can easily cross-check you whether you're a real-time employee or fake experience. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm asking this question. Okay. Suppose if you put any fake experience from these companies, sir, I was working in Infosys or Tech Mahindra, don't tell to anybody at the time of interview. Always you have to tell, sir, we are using unlimited edition. Understand all of you? Guys, can hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I think you people are already
Yes,
getting
yes.
fever or
Yes.
what? Huh? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You people are getting a weekend fever or what? Today only Friday, not Saturday. Okay.
Okay.
Be active in the class. Good. Fine, guys.
Sir, what about development version? Like, what are the limitations we will have compared to these four editions?
So developer edition limitations you are talking. For
Yeah,
example,
like
one example I will tell you, not complete examples. One example. There is a concept called S-object in Salesforce. Or heard the
Okay.
name called S-object? S-object
No.
stands for Salesforce.
So,
It is nothing but a database table. Database table. Database point of view. Is anyone here the name called a table?
Yes.
What is table? Table is a place where we can store the
Where we store
information
the record.
permanently in the form of rows and columns. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. So database point of view, we can call it as table. Salesforce point of view, we can call it as
Yes, object.
Object.
S-object and table, both are same. Okay. Generally, S-object contains what? Table contains fields. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
employee is a subject name. In this subject, employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee department number, employee job. Understand? Employee date of birth, employee hire date. What are all these? These are all what?
Table columns.
Table columns are field. Columns and fields both are same. Okay. In developer edition, maximum how many fields you can place in a single S object. Understand? That is maximum we can place 500 fields, not more than this. That is a
Okay.
limit. That is a limit. If you are using
Okay.
developer edition in a single S object, maximum how many fields we can place?
500 fields.
We cannot enter more than 500 fields. That is a limitation. But if you go for unlimited edition, it might be more than this 500 fields. Point clear?
Yes, sir. So that fields means like here rows also will comes under these fields or only columns, sir?
Only fields, only fields. Records you can
Okay.
enter any number. That
Okay.
depending on the size, memory size. How
Okay.
much take you are taking the memory. That is. I'm talking about only fields. Clear all of you?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So that kind of variations are there between what? One edition to
Another edition.
very simple point, guys. Suppose you're a bachelor. Let us assume you're a bachelor. Tell me, for you, a single room is enough. Yes or no? Just
Yes,
like a
sir.
just like what? Penthouse. That is enough. Maybe you married. Okay, your wife has also come with you. Then penthouse is not sufficient. You have to go for what? 1 BHK. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Maybe after 2 years, okay, you have a kid. Then 1 BHK is not sufficient. You have to go for what? Come on.
2 BHK.
2 BHK. Maybe after 5 years, your in-laws, maybe your parents will come. They're also staying along with you. 2 BHK is not enough. Yes or no?
3 BHK.
You have to go for 3 BHK or what? 4 BHK. If number of persons are increasing, then automatically your space should be increased. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Like that, here also,
Yeah.
if number of users are increasing, based on that, you have to purchase the editions. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Is this clear now? All the editions of Salesforce? Everyone in the class?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. So, but we are using which edition?
Development edition. Developer edition.
Developer edition. Developer. This is a free edition.
Sorry, sir.
1 minute, I'll show you. 1 minute. Please wait, all of you. I'll be back in 1 minute. Please wait. Environments of Salesforce. There are two types of environments only. What is the first one here? Sandbox environment. And the second one is what here? On. Production environment. What is sandbox environment? What is sandbox environment? Tell me.
Maybe development.
Yeah. It is a developer's environment. Where developers can sit and develop the application. The
Business needs, business requirements.
requirement. Or what is this?
Clients requirements.
It's a developer's environment where developers can sit and develop the application as per the business requirement. I can say it is purely as environment. There are three types of sandboxes. Configuration sandbox,
Productions and
developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. configuration sandbox, developer sandbox, and full copy sandbox. Configuration sandbox means it is purely depending on GUI. What does GUI stands for? Graphical user interface.
Interface.
Here, programmer means developer. No need to write. Come on,
Programming.
programmer coding. Just purely drag and drop, point and click. Understand?
Okay.
40% of application we can develop through UI. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
40% of application we can develop through what? GUI.
Graphic user.
Graphical user interface. Next, developer sandbox. Developer sandbox means it is purely depending on coding or programming. Here, developers need to develop the application through programmatically. For this, Salesforce given one of the programming language called
Apex.
Apex is a programming language. It's a proprietary language of Salesforce company. Using this language, we can develop the, I can say 60% of application can develop through 60% of application can develop through what? Come on,
Apex. Programming coding.
through coding.
Programming.
So 40% we can develop through GUI,
GUI.
60% you can develop through coding.
Coding.
And what is the third one here? Full copy sandbox. Full copy sandbox. Full copy sandbox means it is or it contains the replica. Replica means duplicate copy of the original.
Original application.
So after develop the application, one of the duplicate copy of the original application we have to place in where? Full copy sandbox. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, which sandbox is being used while developing? I mean, developer is using which type of sandbox in full copy or developers?
Developer, we are not developer. Develops the what? The configuration sandbox and developer sandbox.
So that depend on the applications.
See, after developing the application, one of the copy of original application we have to place in full copy sandbox. You know what is the reason why they
Okay.
placed the why they placed the duplicate copy in full copy sandbox for testing purpose? Tell me when we are going for testing? After
After
development.
development.
Or no?
For development.
After development
Yeah.
only we have to go for testing. That is
Sir,
why
can we consider this full copy sandbox as like releasing builds?
placing.
Build, I mean, build wise releases.
No. That is no. That is not wrong. That is good. So one of the copy we have to only place in their full copy sandbox. That is only for what purpose? Testing.
No,
Not for
my question is it like final copy or like while developing like
that is a
once
final
they
copy
build-
only. Final copy
Okay.
only.
Okay.
Okay.
Final copy is placed in a full copied sandboxes, sir.
Yeah, final copy, duplicate copy, final copy, you have to place in full copy sandbox.
Okay.
For that, what for
Testing purpose.
testing purpose. What is testing here? Testing is a process.
If we have any
The process
coding,
of checking. It's a process of checking the application, whether the application really meeting the
Clients requirements.
client's requirement.
Yeah, so here in this stage, QA is getting involved.
Yeah, obviously. Your team.
Okay.
Sir, but you are saying this is final copy of this application will be there in the full copy sandbox, but we cannot hold the testing till the time we complete implementing the function
Okay,
entire
that
application.
depending,
Right?
see, but depending on what the process, what we are using, that is change, that is different from one company to other company. Okay, some people are using what every week they are testing application.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like nowadays, like most of the companies will follow the agile process. In that case,
In agile process, what happens every week or every 2 weeks they will test the application. So
yes,
for testing purpose, whatever application you develop, okay. So that 15 days application, we have to check in where full copies.
yeah, that's what I was saying. Like that is kind of like one stable build, like whatever the functionality they wanted to test, one unit of the functionality. Yeah.
So that is why I'm not I'm generalizing the point.
Okay.
Because that is going to change from one company to other company.
Yes, sir.
Some old people are following still waterfall model. Sir, no, you know waterfall model?
Yes.
Waterfall model means what? After completion of the development,
Yes.
they have to finally test the application. Yes or no?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
That is old model. Okay, most of the companies nowadays are using what? Agile.
Agile model.
Okay, I'm generalizing the point. So ultimately, full copy sandbox contains what? Testing purpose. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So after testing completed, then we have to come on. What is this?
Deployment.
What is the meaning of deployment? Deployment means moving the application from sandbox to production. That process can be called as what? Deployment. Do you understand the point here?
Yes, sir.
So the second environment is called what?
Production environment.
So production environment, that is whose environment? It is purely client environment, where client and the client's employees are using the it is purely client's environment and where client and client employees are using the application. And all of you.
Yes, sir.
But at this particular point of time, I'm going to ask a simple question. My question is client and client employees knows? Is client and client employees knows how to use the application?
They knew their requirements. So
Of course, they don't know how to use the application, sir.
yes, yes, they don't know.
They don't know how to log in. So if you want to log in, you have some account, yes or no? Without
Yes,
having the
yes.
account, you cannot use the application. So they don't know how to use the application and all. That is why to guide them, to monitor them, there is another person who is always sitting at the production place. That person, we can call him as super user. Or I can say system
Administrator.
super user or system administrator. System administrator is always sitting at where? At the
At
production
production
side.
environment.
So as a system administrator, if you got a job in any company, what is your roles and responsibilities? That is a point I'm going to discuss now. Point clear?
Yes, sir.
Roles and responsibilities of system. One is creating the user account. Creating the roles,
Roles. Profile.
the profiles. Next one,
Permissions.
granting the privileges. Privilege means permission.
Yeah.
The users. Revoke the
It's
privileges
yeah.
from the users. Sixth one,
Creating hierarchies.
data management operations. Data management means data import and data.
Yeah, import and export.
For import means moving the data
Into Salesforce.
from external systems to Salesforce. Export means moving the data from Salesforce to systems using some tool. That is
Data
data
loader.
import wizard,
Wizard.
data loader. Because data import wizard is completely outdated next. Nobody using today market. The
Okay.
people are using only what? Data loader. Then after data automation and what? Tools. Using some tools like workflows, process builder,
Process.
flow builder, role process. Understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So here workflows is completely outdated. Understand the point here?
So when you are saying outdated means like are you going to cover a little bit about that so that like if somebody
No,
like has
completely removed.
okay,
Cannot use this.
okay.
Okay. Data analysis. That is what? Business intelligence. Reports and
Dashboard.
data security. In data security, we have
Or
org level security,
field level.
app level security,
Tab level.
tab level security, field level security,
Record level.
record level security. Under record level security, we have OWD. OWD stands for
Organization by default.
role hierarchy, sharing rules, manual sharing. We have permission sets. Groups. Use. It all comes under what? Oh, record of security. Understand? Hello. Guys.
Yes, sir.
So these
Yeah.
are the roles and responsibilities of, come on.
System.
Super user.
Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow you don't have class, guys. Again, we'll meet on Monday. On Monday class, we will discuss about MVC architecture. Do you know what is MVC stands for?
No.
Yeah.
Model View
Model
Controller.
view controller.
Understand? Hello.
Yes.
That I will discuss in next class, guys. 1 minute. Please don't go away. Please wait, all of
That
you.
tomorrow there is no class.
Please wait. Please wait. Let me confirm.
Okay.
సార్ ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయా సార్ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ మీద?
He's not there.
Completely online.
ఓకే సార్.
అర్థం కావట్లేదా?
అర్థమవుతుంది సార్. నేను ఫ్రెష్ అండ్ సార్ 2022 పాస్డ్ అవుట్. సో నెక్స్ట్ వాక్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఆల్సో అటెండ్ అవుదామని సార్.
ఏదైనా ఒకటే సబ్జెక్ట్.
ఇదే సార్, అంటే ఈ కోర్స్ అక్కడ కూడా ఉంటుంది, ఇదే ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ సార్. కాకపోతే 1 month ఆన్లైన్, నెక్స్ట్ వాక్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఏమన్నా అటెండ్ అవుదామని సార్. హైదరాబాద్ వచ్చేసి, సో అందువల్ల అడుగుతున్నాను సార్.
అవును, కోర్స్ అయిపోయింది. హైదరాబాద్ లో వాకింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కట్టింటామండి. అక్కడి నుంచి అప్లై చేసుకోండి. కాల్స్ వస్తే హైదరాబాద్ లో ఇంటర్వ్యూ కట్టిన రండి. మళ్ళీ అక్కడ ఉన్న దేనికి మళ్ళీ హాస్టల్ రూమ్ అంత వేస్ట్ కదా, డబ్బులు వేస్ట్ కదా.
అంతే సార్.
ఏదో అక్కడి నుంచి అప్లై చేసుకోండి నౌకరీలో. కాల్స్ వచ్చి మీకు కంపల్సరీ అటెండ్ అవును అనుకోండి ఇంటర్వ్యూకి. జనరల్గా అందరూ ఇప్పుడు ఫోన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చేస్తున్నారు. వాకిన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. మళ్ళీ కోవిడ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
ప్రాబబ్లీ మళ్ళీ ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం కావచ్చు.
అందుకే సార్ నేను ఫ్రెష్ అండ్ సార్ 2022 పాస్. సో
అందరూ కూడా ఫోన్ టెలిఫోనిక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకుంటారమ్మా.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, that's all about today's class, guys. Again, we'll meet on Monday. Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
And I'm requesting all of you, is all of you completed the formalities?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, I have completed.
Your
Yes, sir.
registrations are completed or not?
Yes, payment
Yes,
is
sir.
done.
Yeah. Please do your payments as soon as possible. Please do your registrations as soon as possible. Because probably Monday or Tuesday onwards, link is going to change. Hello.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
By
Sir, I
tomorrow
have one
evening, please complete your formalities. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yeah, Dhananjay, tell me.
Sir, super user having these many responsibilities, right? So
Yeah.
normally, I don't think like any super user will handle all these scenarios, right? So probably
Not
he
only
will deal with.
one super user, there are so many system
No,
administrators.
I understand. I
Yeah.
understand like there might be like so many super users, but what I'm trying to understand. So once you get a job as a super user, you may not deal with all these scenarios, right? Like maybe
You have
they
to
will.
deal all the scenarios.
Okay.
You have to deal all of the scenarios.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is your roles and responsibility.
Okay, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, how to access these notes videos?
That's what I'm telling. Once your registrations means what? Formalities are completed, then only you will get the running notes, materials and all.
Sir,
Yeah, so I have done the payment just before the class.
Okay.
So
Rest
is
of
there
all the people
anything
I'm
more
talking,
to do?
people who are not completed, for those people I'm talking.
Okay.
If they completed, I will create a separate WhatsApp group for your match. In that group, I will share the running
Okay.
notes, materials, recordings, everything. 1 minute, please wait,
Acha,
all of
okay.
you.
But why you want to go to school tomorrow?
Hello,
sir.
can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I have a small work tomorrow. So that is why I'm not going to take the class. So tomorrow means Monday class will continue with what? Come on.
Sir, I'm batch changing, sir. I have paid payment in last.
Sai Dikshit already spoke with me yesterday. No problem. You
sir.
can continue.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay,
Who
guys.
can I contact with, sir? ఎవరితో కాంటాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి సార్?
Muskan.
ఓకే సార్. గ్రూప్ లో ఉన్నారు సార్ వాళ్ళు, అవునా?
I don't know.
Okay,
Muskan,
okay,
are you
sir.
there in the class? Muskan? Okay, fine. I'll catch you on Monday. Happy weekend, all of you.
Okay,
And
sir.
once again,
Thank you.
once again, I'm repeating, guys, please complete your formalities by tomorrow evening. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.